Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class nursery. How are you all? Class nursery, today we are going to do some interesting work on maths book. For that, take out page number 25. First question is, write the missing numbers. Dear students, can you see these 5 flowers? On the first flower, it's written 1, and on the last one, it's written 5. You need to count your numbers and you will write in the missing place. After 1, what comes? Yes, 2. 1, 2. Then 3. And then 4. 5 is already written. Now come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is, how many in each group? Count and write in the box. In the first picture, there are 3 chicks. How many chicks are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. So you will write 3 in the box. In the second, how many ducks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will write 4 in the box. Then there are few stars. How many stars are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 in the box. Then how many dolphins are there? Only one. Only one dolphin. So we will write 1 in the box. How many peacocks are there? Yes, 2. 1, 2. So we will write 2 in the box. Now turn to the next page. On the next page, again you need to write missing numbers. And then you need to color the pictures. The question is, fill in the missing numbers, then color. Now on page number 26, can you see the caterpillar? Yes, in the first picture there is a caterpillar. We are going to write the missing numbers. 1, 2. What comes between 2 and 4? 3. So we will write 3. Then 4. And then 5. We will write 5. We have to write till 5, not more than 5. In the second picture, there is a necklace. 1, 2 is missing. So we will write 2. 3, 4 is missing. We will write 4. And 5 is already written. Now in the third picture, there are 5 boats. 2 and 5 are given, we need to write 1. And then 3. And then 4. 5 is already written. Now we need to write numbers on the train. After 1, what comes? 2. Then 3, 4, and then 5. Dear students, now open your notebook. We will write missing numbers on your notebook. First, you will draw 2 margin lines, write date and day, then start writing. Question is, write the missing numbers. See, there are 5 apples. On the first apple, it's written 1, and on the last one, it's written 5. What comes after 1? 2, then 3, then 4, and 5 is already written. This is how you need to fill the missing numbers. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.